Hi, to customize color scheme on display on your POCO F6, as a first step, let's unlock the phone and go in its settings. So here, we need to scroll till we see the display and brightness tab, and after that scroll a bit more so you can see the section color scheme. And in it we have those four options. Original Color Pro, here you can see the example how the colors will look. That one is vivid, this is saturated, and advanced settings. Here you can tap the arrow and adjust settings just according to your preferences, like that. You can swipe left from the G or from R, like that. You can reduce blues and just something like this. If you messed up with the contrast, for example, or with gamma and something does not look right, you can restore default by tapping this option and everything will go back to normal. So I prefer enhanced colors and I'm gonna select saturated, and to save the changes we will need to simply go back using this arrow to go back. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.